Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Besam 1006510 SW100 door stop kit. This video is really just to serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. Certainly does feel like it's cast aluminum, would be my guess as to what this material is. A couple of basic dimensions. The outside diameter looks like it's about 1 3/8 inches. You can see you've got those spline teeth inside of there. And overall, if I hold it in this fashion, it's about 2.5 inches. You've obviously got your screw here to tighten it down to your shaft. And this is for the SW100 swinger style door. Okay. Finally, there is also the thickness, 0.32 inch. The thickness is 0.32 inch. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Besam products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Besam, this is their part number 1006510 SW100 stop kit, or any other Besam product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.